Hi, I'm Steve. This problem came up in college algebra this morning. It was a horrible thing that looked like radical with a 4 and then a radical inside with a 3 of the 2. What an ugly mess. But the whole idea is to apply a rule. If you have a radical with some, number here, I'll just put a sharp sign for a number, of some stuff, I'll just put dots. The rule is that just becomes the stuff in the stuff inside, this thing I made dots with, to the fractional power of 1 over the number that was there. It's just a notational rule. So if I apply this rule to this thing up here, this is kind of ugly, but just for kicks, I'll start on the 4th root of this stuff. Here's this stuff. I might even put parentheses around it to show that it's like in a package. If I use this rule, I can change this 4th root into just a bunch of stuff to the 1 over 4. So the stuff that's inside there is this cube root of 2. All I have to do is move that 4 under a 1 and put it as a fractional exponent. I just used this rule where the stuff, the dots, is this cube root of 2. But now I can actually use that rule again on just the cube root of 2. I can keep the stuff to the 1/4 power, but use that rule. Instead of saying cube root radical 2, I take a 2 and then I do 1 divided by the 3 that was there. It's just turning that into this. So now I have 2 to the 1/3 power, all raised to the 1/4 power. And if you remember the rule of a thing to a power again, you just multiply the powers. So this is 2 to the 1/3 times 1/4. And if you do 1/3 times 1/4, you get 1/12, so it's 2 to the 1/12. It's kind of not obvious at all that that turns into that. But if you apply this rule twice, it works. That one might take a few times through to get the hang of.